I say, what's up, y'all? It's TC time. What's up, y'all? It's TC time. Fire bucket, hell yeah. What's up, y'all? This is TC, and thanks for tuning in to TC time. Tonight, what we're doing is we are doing scientific research on burn chambers for what we call stoves. Now, everybody knows that I'm building a rocket heater, and I just need to switch from the power washer wheel for a minute, so that becomes place fire time. So here we go. We're going to probably do a second video for this one. So tonight, here we go. Fire bucket. Oh yeah. You want to see the ones that left over right now. This time, get that rack up. And if you like this video so far, go ahead and hit the like button. Forged air leak blower with prototype nozzle. Here we go. Not real sure how that's that sweet spot. Man, that is amazing. Alright, hey, keep watching. It's real important. You have to wait till the end. If you haven't clicked off yet, I'm telling you, watch this. Told you so. Amazing. Press like, subscribe, get notified, and I got to figure out how to put this bucket out. Thanks a lot, y'all. We'll see you next time on TC Time.